welcome to my channel Sign Me. So before we start this video, please like and subscribe. Today we
are going to make Dal Palak Tadka. We have dal, we have palak, and we have something special here. We call it as bimbli in Mangalore. Bimbli, B-I-M-B-L-I. Okay, I'm going to tell the health benefits of bimbli later. Okay, and we have chopped onions, ginger, garlic, and chili, and we have got turmeric, jeera, and spices powder. That's it. Got it? Okay, first we have to add the soaked dal into the cooker. Okay.
add some water.
Yeah, add some water. I think you need to add some more water. Okay.
Some more water.
Okay, just put a pinch of yellow turmeric powder. Okay, first. Okay, we are going to add some salt. Okay, we are going to add some stalks. What is this? Show me. This is a vegetable. Okay. Okay, add that. Open and add. Yes, add that. Okay, add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Okay, the coconut oil we are adding because the dal will boil or cook properly. Okay, okay, now let's close the lid. Okay, and we are going to take one of 3 or 4 whistles. Okay, on the gas. Okay. Ginger and garlic. Now we are going to ginger and garlic. This one, and this one.
Okay. So ginger. I'm going to add some ginger.
Okay. Now you add this. Vicky, fast. You should be quick.
Both.
Okay, now stir it. You stir it fast. Be quick now. Edward is adding a pinch of salt. Okay. What are you going to do?
Put some palak.
Not palak, full palak. Okay. Okay, now gently stir it. From the bottom you have to take the dal. Leave it. From the bottom you have to take like this. Let it fry until that raw smell of the palak goes, okay? And after that we have to add the dal for this. Got it?
We'll put this one.
Slow and steady. Very good. Okay, I think, how is the smell? Nice smell?
Yeah.
The raw smell is gone.
I think it's almost gone.
Almost gone, okay?
Yes.
Show me. Yeah, I think this should be sufficient. Now you are going to add dal for this, okay? I will add it. You just hold this.
Start.
Okay. Okay, just let it boil. Once it boils, then we will give a tadka, and our Dal Palak Tadka is ready. What are you doing? Okay, now we are going to add bimbli.
This is frozen.
Frozen, frozen.
It's ice. No one can.
Now we are going to add bimbli for this one. Okay, come on. Bimbli has lot of health benefits. Okay.
You forgot to tell the health benefits.
What?
You forgot to say as the health benefits.
Yeah, I will tell the health benefits. Okay. Tell you the health benefits. Yeah, mix it. You know this bimbli. I'll post the picture of bimbli in the description. Okay, so guys, please have a look at it. Only South Indian people will know it, and it has lot of health benefits, like it regulates the blood sugar levels and controlling hypertension, strengthening bones, but it should be consumed in a moderate one. Okay.
This is ice.
Okay, let it boil, and after that we'll give the tadka. Okay. It's time for tadka. Okay, add little, 1 spoon,
Literally.
a little bit. Taken the oil in a small pan, and we are going to add mustard seed. Put together, fast.
Oh dear. I hope it doesn't pop.
Okay, off this one, off the AC, off the gas. How do you do? Yeah, fill off it. Okay, now add jeera. Immediately, fast. Okay, put asafoetida. Leave it.
Oh, like that, like powder.
Yeah, leave it. I'll put it. Okay, take it.
Really so smelly.
It's good. Okay, now you just add some garam masala. Okay, off the gas for that. This one. Add garam masala. Little, just for smell. Okay. And
And this is.
okay, enough. And come on, put this. My God, my mobile. Okay, is it hot?
Yes, this is.
Okay, leave it. Just hold this mobile. Come, this side. Here, properly. And you see, guys, our dal tadka is ready.
Wow. It like smoke. Oh, it's still doing something.
Okay, I should have put curry leaves, but I am out of stock. That's why I'm not using this curry leaves. Okay, and just close the lid and keep it for 5 minutes. And it's time to taste our dal. We have paratha. Okay, come, hold. Give me a plate. Here, near.
Okay, but
Make sure it's hot. Okay. Okay, try. Bicycler. Very hot. Okay. Ready, 1, 2, 3, yes.
let's try.
How's it? You like the dal?
I like it.
Okay, eat one chicken piece also. Is it a proper good combo?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. How's it?
It's good.
Okay. So guys, please try this recipe, and if you like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.
And eat healthy, stay safe, live long. Bye.